So I had this cough for 6 weeks my senior year. And one day, I'm sitting in class in one of those metal folding chairs, and I get caught up in this huge coughing fit. And the next thing I know, I coughed so hard I farted. Seriously? Way to go.